I've been having the most random songs stuck in my head today. Literally, I have flipping Mary Poppins stuck in my head. Of all the things to be stuck in your head, Mary Poppins, really? Like that spoonful of sugar. Why? I don't know, but it's stuck in my head. Bet it up. We're working? I think so. I think we're working. Let's see. Work, please, maybe. Just a thought, just a fun thought. Whoosh. I'm gonna have a heart attack. There's someone outside who's just hooting away. Heisenberg, what happened? What happened? Why is my multi-chat being dumb? Give me a second. Try this again. Oh no, Heisenberg. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Flip, that's not good. What's the damage? How bad is it? Don't worry, I shouldn't have traded Friday afternoon. But I did end up placing a trade and it was a loss. I felt really dumb after doing it, but you know, I guess you live and you learn. Okay. But you'll be able to make it up again, right? I think let's try stay on positivity side of things. Where there's a will, there's a way. Right, Heisenberg? And we all make mistakes sometimes and then we learn from them and we don't do that again. Probably even 3 weeks worth. Damn, what did happen exactly? Like, did it happen on Friday or just throughout the week? Yeah, no. Here's London low. Okay, so I think that's quite scary. The thought that it takes so long to get profit and then just 2 days worth of just making, and sometimes it's not even like hectic mistakes. I know. Sometimes it's not even hectic mistakes, but 2 days worth of just mistakes can set you back so far. I think it's so frustrating, but Heisenberg, do you know what? It's a new week, right? Let's be positive. It's a new week. We've got this. We've got this. Renzler, how you doing? How's it going, bud? Are we ready for today? No. Renzler, what happened? Hey! Logatoy? What up? How's it going? Oh no, were you trying to chase the highs or the shorts, or what did you think was going to happen? It is a little bit choppy today. I mean, there was a pretty decent move I see a little bit earlier. But while I was on earlier today, it was very much just choppy. I mean, it still just looks choppy. Ooh, we've made equal highs. Or rather, relative equal highs. On ES. Ooh, ES could be Nami Nami. Let's see what ES has to bring to the table. And kind of relative equal highs. Hey, some guy, what up? How's it going? You know what, Luggage, I cannot complain, except I will complain a little bit. It's a little bit cold today. It's been overcast, and then, you know what? Humans, we're just never happy. If it's too hot, I'm gonna complain that it's too hot. Too cold, I'm gonna complain that it's too cold. It's a good day. I had fun with the horses. This morning was good for me mentally. I didn't put any trades in, but I stuck with my rules. I stuck with my rules. I think that's the important thing. Hey, Raphael, how's it going? Watermark, you can enter the opportunity is endless. Let me see. Nope. That's already a nope. Flip. No, trader, no! Brenzler, gold reversal keeps wicking you out. Right direction, wrong timing. That is the most frustrating thing in the world. I've had that so often where I have the right idea, but those little wicks out are so freaking irritating. Ugh, what does this chart look like on the 15-minute? Alright, let me just hide everything for a second. This is not looking promising, is it? In the 1 hour? Ewy. Okay, well, I mean, still bullish. Tapped into this fair value gap. I wonder if it's going to keep going up now. What is everyone's thoughts for today? Here we go. There's that push up. Hey, Mad Demon, what up? Raphael, you have a hurricane in Jamaica right now. Are you serious? I hope you're okay. Some guy still waiting for your BTC short. Oh no. You ended my photo position because FOMO. But I really wanted to push a bit higher and hit the 3-minute order block I left behind. So you can hammer it. Hey Raphael, you know what? It was a good weekend. It was a good weekend. Renzler, I mean, you have a valid point. Are we even South African if we're just not complaining about the weather? Always. I swear it's just what we do all the time. Mad Demon, you have a feeling we're just going to keep going up today. All-time high, and we have FOMC and PMI this week. Yeah. Oh, but there's no news today, though. Some guy, 1/5 of your account. You don't like the stream, your trades stay will be losses. Hit that button. Damn, some guy. Okay, guys, I don't make the rules. Some guy apparently makes the rules, and he says that if you don't like the stream, it's gonna be losses. Let's put this to the test. Justin, bullish, it's retesting the zone. It's entering 3 times already. It's time for the reversal upwards now. Okay, Justin, let's see. I see it has just tippy tapped into VWAP. Maybe it's just waiting for open. We have 2 minutes to go. Only true trader. Heyo, Heisenberg, you think this looks bearish? High life, what? We take the swing high, we can expect the high of day between 9:30 to 10. And it's a very nice reversal point statistically. Okay. Okay, rip, let's see. Oh, Renslow, whoop whoop, that's amazing. That is amazing. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh, no problem. Everything clear, cool. Renslow, did you like the stream and then you got a win? Just out of, out of curiosity. I'm testing to see if some guy was just accurate. But I'm okay so far. I'll take your advice and keep... Yeah, please, Raphael, flip. What? Gang code, come again. Hey Zane Trades, holy moly. Alrighty then. Sure, ES is being very weak today compared to NQ. Well, hello there. Heisenberg, thank you. Othman, what up? Angelo, hi. Renzo, you think it's gonna chop up and down around the highs for a while? Let's see. Hey Fulcus, how's it going? Cure427, hello. Oh, SBS Birds, hey. Am I a day trader? Yes, I am. I am a day trader. Or a scalper. Yeah, I trade every day. Some guy. Sun to the moon, 100%. What do I do at night? I mean, theoretically, it is kind of nighttime. 3:30. Guess that's not really nighttime, it's just afternoon. Boom Banana. Hey. What's up? How's it going? Oh, look at that, Renzo. Some guy, maybe you have a point. Oh, that's hilarious. As Rensler pressed the like button, he got a win. Rosamar, no, I live in South Africa. Michael, how often am I on actually trading? Well, I guess it depends on the chart, but I tend to trade every day, but I have to wait for my A+ setup. So I guess it's chart dependent. Like if today is just going to be a choppy mess, unfortunately for me, it means no trade for me today. Yeah. You can see here there was a potential for 2 trades today. The one I did not take for a valid reason. A valid reason. I mean, to be fair, both of them I didn't take for a valid reason. One would have been a win, one would have been a loss. So, yeah. Oh, Michael, are you asking like schedule? I trade every day London and New York. Open, yeah. Kumar, what up? What's the A plus setup you like buy in? So hey Shocker, how's it going? So I mean my A plus setup for me has to have at least 3, yeah, minimum of 3 confluences. For me that's an A plus setup. And my strategy does not work with chop. I've tried it. It's just not worth it. It's just a disaster. Crossmore, do I trade Bitcoin as well? No. So I only started trading in April. Sorry, just for everyone that's new. I know that everyone that's been here for a while, you're probably so sick and tired of me saying this, but for everyone that's new, I've only been trading since April. It took me a while to find a strategy that I'm gonna say worked or is working for me. And now I'm just trying to refine my skills in it. So I'm not profitable yet, in case you guys are hoping for amazing trades. Not yet. I'm working a lot on the psychological side of these trades because oh my goodness, is this difficult, lemon difficult. Oh, where was I going with this? I'm so sorry. Short story long, I decided I wanted to get good with one asset first before I start trying to bounce around the chart. So I started with MNQ, so I'm trying to get good at MNQ first. Did we take out the highs and now we're going for the lows? Is there going to be a reversal today? Interesting. Sidharhana, what up? Nothing yet. I haven't taken a trade today, so no wins, no losses, just waiting now. Yeah. So sitting at the computer all day, I'm curious. I'm learning from traders how to trade, but don't know how a schedule would be done. Oh! So I tend to be on, what, like 4.5 hours a day. For me, I think too much screen time messes with my brain. You could probably go for like 5 to 6 hours theoretically, but I'm probably on for around 2 hours during the London session and 2.5 hours during the New York session. London and Asia lows look nice. I agree with you, only true trader. I wonder if it's gonna tap into the NWOG. Rensler, the FOMO still kills me. Yep. That one click can change your emotion. It really can. It's so sad. Like, couldn't think it would, but it... Okay, I need confirmation that we actually headed in a proper direction today. Inverse fair value gap. And it's starting to rain properly. If I start talking loud, it's because it's gonna start bucketing down soon. I can hear it. And on gold, it's just magnified, but getting better. Okay, nice, Rensler, nice. New SBS birds. Why do you think that, out of curiosity? Do you think it's just re-establishing itself after the madness that was last week? Okay, son, enjoy your bed. Enjoy your bed. Yeah, enjoy. Sleep well. That's what I was trying to say. But English just left the brain. Do I stay on the same trade the whole time or switch between? I switch. So I'm more of a scalper, actually. So I will never leave the charts. if I'm in a trade. Yeah, it looks like it's wanting to start pushing up on ES now again. Let's see. ES is now starting to drive up. Hey, Google account, thanks. What do I have on my screen? What do you mean? Are you asking what chart this is, Rosamar? Boogeyman MNQ is strong by early. I'm kind of curious to see if this would have been a win. Anyways, it's fine. Oh, Michael, I mean, I've never actually tried to trade on my phone, to be honest. Does anyone here trade on their phone? So I've only ever done PC. I like PC. It's just, it's bigger. I feel like it's easier. I'm not sure if anyone trades on their phone. Some guy, enjoy your bed. Yeah, I know, don't judge me, okay? Okay. Like, it's raining outside, it's cold. This is cuddle up in bed and read a book weather. But we are here trading, and I love it. Dedication, let's do this. Can never stop learning. Traded the cash, what happened? But it's 2%. Nice! Ooh! Whoop whoop, Akash, that's amazing. It's getting there. You probably won't try short today, more likely to fail. Why do you say that? Only true trader, how long if any of the session lows gets tagged? I'd like to see NWOG then higher. Only true trader. I am feeling NWOG today, but I could be wrong. It could want to tap into NWOG later. Who knows? Divyansh? I think I butchered that. Hi, how you doing? Do I trade US? No, I don't, sorry. South PA, you trade Siddharhana? Am I okay? Sure. Sure, we will go with I'm okay. Ooh, okay, here's a bit of resistance. It's respecting this order block. Cool, see. I'm glad I did not take this trade. The absolute disrespect. Let's see if this goes down to where TP would have been. This would have tagged me out and then potentially been down for a win. Let's see. South PA, you trade on your phone and iPad simultaneously, but I used to trade solely on your phone and South PA. What do you find is easier, out of curiosity? Just because I've literally never traded on my phone, so genuinely curious. That is so rude. And this is why I don't trade in the chop. These wicks are dangerous, man. What the heck? Rensler, really? You've never traded on anything but your phone? Wow, I didn't know trading on phones was such a common thing. I thought a lot of people use PC. Interesting. I've never tried to trade on my phone. Trading on phone is harder than PC. There we go, some guy. You do it quite a lot because I'm often out with the dog or just touching grass. Yep, but it's a lot harder to see the charts clearly and come up with a good plan in your opinion. Okay, thank you, some guy. There we go. That helps. Sorry, I couldn't have much of an opinion because I've just always been on PC. I've never tried to trade using my phone. This is a very interesting conversation for me right now. Focus, we should read a book on a rainy day together one day. I got fabulous literature in your repertoire. Focus, go on, like what? What's your favorite book, out of curiosity? Axel, I'm on the MNQ chart. Why does this look like it's just gonna be choppy today? Man. Wow. This is not looking great, is it? Tap in. How's it looking on the 1 hour? Wow. Just wow. Okay. This is where I need to remind myself that it's day trader, not everyday trader. Day trader, not everyday trader. I don't have to trade every day. If it's not ideal conditions, do not do it. Let's see if anything looks like it's gonna start working out. It looks like it's just gonna range today, which sucks, but anyways. Some guy, but I would recommend, especially for beginners, to trade with a laptop or PC. Interesting. Axel, you think sell? Why? Divyansh, my experience, I'm not that experienced at all. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still pretty new at it. There we go. Is this gonna break out? Nope. Created a little bit of a fair value gap. Maybe we are gonna break out of this. Little bit of resistance over there. Sorry, I haven't read. Friends will have to get me a laptop or tablet. Yep. Have I tried pocket options trading? I have not. Only to trader. ES hasn't taken out London high or low. ES is so weak today, it's weird. It's weird. Heisenberg, yeah. Machiavelli is your favorite. Okay. Some guy, yeah, then there we go. High life? High life. High life? No. This. Focus, this is opening. I'm confused. What do you mean? Dark Angel, what up? How's it going? Dark Angel, it was mentally really good. So it was choppy. There was 2 opportunities to take trades, and I didn't take them because one was not an A+ setup and it would have been a loss. And the other one, it was a good setup, but it had just taken out a bunch of liquidity, so I expected it to... Why am I talking? I can just quickly show you. Here we go. Oopsie. You can see I've even made notes of it right here. There we go. It would have been a win, literally just. Would have just taken me out for a win. But I didn't take it because... Yeah, it had just taken out a lot of liquidity. I expected it to kind of do this. So the 2 trades that looked like a maybe were still not A+, so I didn't let FOMO win today, which is good. Let's see what today brings, but right now this is not looking promising at all. I'm not loving how this looks today. Oh well. Man Demon, exactly. Chop chop, barcode, just... I think it's flatlining because that's what I want to do right now, but anyways. I like Shakira in the house. It'll eventually break out today. It's so hard to be patient though. Yeah, Heisenberg it is, but I'm trying. Of course, it's gonna go up now. Boom, you think it's gonna go to the moon. When? South PA, you trade while you work mostly, but I have to look Sink or swim because that's what I started with. I trade on TradeOvate. With TradeOvate, I prefer the iPad, but ideally I like being home with a laptop and 2 iPads. There we go, South PA, yeah. That makes sense then why you use your phone at work. Kill station? Why? Out of curiosity? No! Only true trader, you're supposed to come with good news, not yucky news. That's yucky news. Not a fan of trading the day after all-time highs. Ooh, Rensler? I mean, that's valid. It's going, nothing to do here, literally. Dark Angel, literally. Oh, thanks for the sub, Dominic. Stuts. Cool. Usually chop up and down around high. Yep. You're right, I mixed something up. It's the opening. Okay. I was about to say full because I was like, what? Thank you, some guy. Yeah, listen, it's hard. And looking at this, I'm going, oh my gosh, maybe I should have taken this. But it's still choppy. It's still choppy, and I have to remind myself it's not worth trading in the chop because those wicks are just dangerous. They are dangerous. They come out of nowhere and they screw you for fun. Thanks, Dark Angel. I'm trying. It's really hard sometimes, but PA is short for grandpa, so it's not. Interesting. South Park. Got it, got it, got it. Thank you. Oh, cool, South Park. Got it. Thank you for correcting me. Or else I would have just kept calling you South PA. Axel, you think it's gonna go down? Axel, you think it's gonna go down, you're counting on it. Let's see, does this mean a Boom Banana's gonna be wrong? Interesting. Rensler, what's binary trading? Not sure, guys. Anyone know what binary trading is? Some guy, thank you. Yeah, no, you're right. You gotta reward the good things like this. This would have been a loss. This is why we do not trade in the chop. It's just not worth it, especially with my strategy that I have. It's not made for choppy things. I know a lot of people... Is there anyone that enjoys trading in the chop? Is there someone who's really good at trading in the chop? Watch my short entry hit TP without me. It's not a great setup though. Then only true trader, yeah. But that isn't that how it just always works. When you're like, this is not a great setup, I'm not gonna take it, then it's a beautiful, perfect trade. And the ones you're so confident about, it's like, nope. I think the market likes to mock us sometimes. I know we're small and insignificant little fishies in the very big ocean, but I am pretty sure it likes to mock us. Some guy, no, it's valid. It's valid to tell yourself those things. It really, really is. Those liquidity hunts on low time frames made me change your trading plan. Okay. So we are the change. What's your plan now? Wow, this is literally going sideways. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'll go look at the higher time frames, but this is just... I mean, on a higher time frame, would this be a bull flag? Am I just talking a bunch of bull rubbish? If you catch my drift. Let's see what this brings. LP, you prefer chop. Why do you prefer chop, LP? Just push, I think so. Renzo, is that what you're asking? Like binary like options, right? Heisenberg, you're gonna wait. Same dudes. What? Boom wrong? Boom's never wrong. Let's see, Boom. Dust claims dust. No. This is for everyone to come here and help me learn trading. Yeah, no. I'm not a teacher. Definitely not a teacher. Axel, you think it's gonna break resistance? Axel, I have no idea. Well, Boom Banana thinks it's gonna break resistance. Southpaw. I've seen a couple of YouTubers do well at trading the chop. Really, South. You can count me out of those ones. I am absolutely shocking at trading the chop. Just doesn't work for me. For those of you that can trade chop, respect. So much respect. Oh my goodness. It worked straight into that 15-minute order block. Trade the news event, then took the evening off. Ooh, nice, Prish. Amazing. What a wild barcode. Wow. Then, when you're right, you're right. It's okay, right? If anything, it's just teaching us what? Patience. Patience is key, right? Isn't that what they always try to teach us as kids? What was it that they said patience is? I swear there was a saying. What? So this is now gonna drive me crazy. Some guy, thank you. Wow. Maybe it's a good thing it's choppy today, because apparently my brain has shuttle. Patience pays. I mean, I like that one better. Wow. Guys, this is not starting great, is it? It'll be fine. Let's wait. Sai? Hi, what do you mean? Some guy, thank you. Squeezy, thank you. And Southpaw, thank you for helping my brain. The guy who asked if anyone trades binary in the chat, and I haven't been one. Oh, and you've been wondering how it works. Okay, does anyone know how trading binary works? Renz is curious about it. Side patience is not easy to maintain. No, it's not. And FOMO loves to take the reins. Heisenberg, thank you. Yes. And Nox, thanks. Thanks, guys. At least I got you guys here. If my brain's not working, at least you guys are here to be like, Anyways. Boom for president. But Boom, it's not going to the moon. What's happening? Boom wants to be president now? Interesting. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. I've never heard that. That's beautiful. I feel like I need to add that to the chart now. Yep. Some guy, you'd vote for Boom. Could we not be encouraging him? Just asking for a friend. You know. I like that. There we go. It helps. I had another quote this morning. Thank you, some guy, just saying. It's a trait. It is a trait. Axel, you still think sell, you're not gonna lie. Interesting. You think it's just building up some liquidity for a hectic movement? Or just accumulating for a big push down? BC buy $150 box and high. Boogerman, you think buy at 5830. So around VWAP. You think it's gonna come down, touch VWAP, and then pop up? Vote for Boom and market will hit everyone's TP. No, Boom, it's like the stream and you'll have a win. Just saying, Rensler tried it and it worked for Rensler. Oh gosh, okay. Bet if someone scans a chop right now, they'll get a challenge discount. This is definitely a barcode. Only true trader, yep. My ringtone ring. Good notification entry. Okay, son. Let's see. Tiger, thank you, I think. Cutest little trader. You know what? I'll take it. I appreciate it. Neither my brain is working, I'm just manipulated. Damn, okay. Okay, so apparently President Boom Banana is now becoming a thing. Interesting. Patience is the compassion of wisdom. Oh, companion. That's actually really true. I like that. I like that a lot. Damn, guys. Look at this. 25900 upside. Seriously, Boogerman? Okay. Price is following my trend line, but it doesn't want to stay above London High. Decide to stay above London High, it'll be a long bias. Okay, South Park. Rensler, true story. Cute is visual illusion. Is it? I mean, I guess it's similar to don't judge a book by its cover. I could be really, really evil. I don't know if I am. I don't think I am, but I could be. I could be the meanest human being alive, I think. I don't know. I'm not. I can't even kill flies. Sun, countdown. Okay. 813 resistance now. Let's taken that out. Whoop, here we go. Here we go. Hey! Motivid, what up? How's it going? Son Foss TP only. Do I like politics? No, not really. Not a fan of politics. Do you like politics? What is the overall trend, Val? Trend is bullish today. Volume up a little bit. Yep, finally. Nox, up and away. Focus, yep. Skeletor, I think that's one of my favorites. Yep, some guy, 100%. Skeletor's just here. Boom. Come on, hit Boom's TP. Boom, where your TP at? Looks like Boom was right, Boom never wrong. Boom is sometimes wrong. Just saying. Maybe not often, but sometimes. I can't let you have everything, Boom. It just does not work like that. I feel like this range is too big, but I don't hate this trade. Contract, 2 minutes. I've got a shelf there as protection. Protection. Just don't know if it's gonna come back down this far. Motivates, you think you've fallen for your chart? Why? South Park? Yeah. Like you saw, I just shuffled through. Shuffled. I shuffled through a bunch there. Watching my trade without having to be on the chart. Like, nice, crazy. Today is the day that says, if your stats RIP, I'm fine with it. It took a small long. Oh, nice rip. Cool. Aw, Motivates, that's so sweet. Thank you. Yes, it does. Boom gets what he wants. And what do you want, Boom? What do you want, Boom? Vashnev, how many trades on average do I do per day? It literally depends on the day. I could get up to 4 or 5 trades a day. Today I haven't even gotten one. I think it genuinely depends on the day. Now it's taken those highs. It should have a retracement back. Don't trade today because it's high resistance liquidity run. Abdullah's, yep. I'm wanting to agree with you. It's not looking great today. But you never know. That move is what you call manipulation. Yeah, son. So do you think this is just manipulation to the buy side? You think it's going to go down now? Hey, Val, well that's literally my strategy. So I think I'm going to pop this in. Because I have... I have my 3 confluences. I'm a little... What do we think about a long entering at the 50%? Force a trade and now I'm done, $150. Oh, you're down. Oh. No, Mad Demon, what happened? Why did you force it? Boogerman, nobody's filling your order. That's a good sign. Is it? where am I from? I'm from South Africa. So I was trying to figure out how to say your name. I gave up. Hey Envy. Good afternoon. How's it going? Motivid, do you think this is dump right now? Really? Good sign it's going up. Cool, so we have like a 50% split. Some people think it's gonna go up, some people think it's gonna go down. No, I mean, yeah, Mad Demon, you know, losses are part of the journey, right? You just have to pick yourself back up and try again. Only true trader, you think it's looking like an early day for you? Pick the 5 minute again. I feel like the entry here could be better. And that wick is not great. All-time highs scare me. Sugar, honey, iced tea. What's your strategy when you trade like spot and... So yes, I'm trading, oh my gosh, Nasdaq futures. Anyway, sorry, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. So in general, I have a 1 to 2 hour strategy that looks like so. I don't know if I want to risk this today. And here's peak now. Oh, it is peak now. Down makes sense too. Right, Nox? This is... This is very frustrating. Gold is hanging on. BTC just gained 160 switching. Cashed up. I can't wait till rage quits happen. We are the change, you think so? Just don't, or it's going to be a losing trade. Really? Abdullahs, you really think... Strong push down for manipulation. So I'm just looking at something quick sticks. We are the change, and how's it looking for everyone else today? The Richie man, what up? How's it going? How have you been? Damn! Sanan, well done! Look at you go, whoop whoop! Richie man, how's the trade been going for you? Oh, rough, we are the change. That's a toughie. That is a toughie. Already had 3 trades with TP, waiting for... But well done. for your 3 trades that hit TP. What strategy do you use? Oh, Rensler! Look at you go. Amazing. Well done. Val, wait. What am I waiting for? This is why all-time highs are scary. Notifications, no. Hasn't hit where my entry would be. This would have been my entry down here. Hey, Thomas, how's it going? There's been nothing good for me yet today, Thomas. How's it going for you? Have you just woken up? How are you feeling? Bubble-lost? Question mark? Or are you feeling good? Mean reversion breakout. Oh, cool. Oh, no. Thomas, what's happening? Oh, flip. Ooh, Rensler. You guys heard it from Rensler first. He was in the red until he liked the stream, and now he is in the green again. Just saying. Wasn't me that said it. 'Twas Rensler. Abraham, what's up? Yeah, my ex was kind of famous and had olive skin and lived in a Mediterranean castle and had snakes. Skeletor! You're hilarious, do you know that? The rich man, you're on vacation? That is amazing. Where are you? Oh, Thomas. Oh, Thomas. Oh, no. Oh, I've been there. Oh, way too many times. Way too many times. I'm so sorry. Snan, you're probably... Okay. Mad Demon, you're taking a short here, really? Envy, expecting it to push till 26115. I'll be looking to go short there. I'm always wrong, so don't follow Envy. You sound like me. Like I said, for me, this looks decent. Is it a good idea? Possibly not. I don't know. Ah, Thomas, yeah, no, don't worry, I get it. Whoop. Okay, so there it would have tagged me in. Am I gonna feel dumb for not taking this? I mean, I was right about this being a proper support area, though. This is one of my confluences. Maybe not enough of a support area. Maybe today is just a no trade day for me, guys. Son, big player entering the market, better not to take a trade until the next 5 candles. Son, what platform do you use? Thomas, you and Boom took the same trade. You got out at 4R. That's still amazing. Envy, joking. You're confident, but only for you. Yeah, I'm not joking. Whatever I do, you know, you could probably do the opposite and you will be in profit. Ooh, nice, Boom. White banana. Oh my gosh, we have Boom banana and now we have white banana. This is crazy. Anyways, we're going down. Envy, it's hard sometimes. But I appreciate it. No, you're right. You're right. I just don't like the market conditions today for my setup. Which is why I know it sounds just like an excuse, but you have to recognize what's a good day for your setup and what's not. And so far, today's not an ideal day for my setup. Let's see. I would be in this right now. Just FYI. Whoa. Well, look for buys, but be cautious. No. Notifications. No. I was not trusting it. Oh, nice, Mad Demon. Okay. That would have been a very quick loss. Whoa. That would have sucked. Ooh, Rensler? Rensler? Are you higher up in the green now? Ooh, Southpaw. Your short bias since price cannot maintain the London highs. Interesting. You don't think it was just trying to do a liquidity hunt? Oh, Mad Demon, no! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey, Chase, how's it going? Australia has spiders that catch and eat birds. I need someone to confirm or deny this for me, please. Damn, Chase, look at you go. So Chase, today is not ideal for my strategy, so I haven't placed a trade today. Which I guess is good. It's difficult, but it's good. It's just not worth it today, right now. The wicks are too much. I think I would just be continuously wicked out, which would drive me crazy. Nox, you rate it's gonna peak again after this drop? I mean, probably, because like I said, days like this where it wicks you out and it then goes in the direction you wanted it to go suck. Aw, so are you done? Okay. Rensler, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Consult Goliath bird eaters, literally species of spiders in Australia that catch and eat birds. I don't even know if I want to Google that. That sounds terrible. Oh, thanks for the new sub, by the way. Huntsman spider. Guys, that's awful. Yep, saving capital is best. Expecting choppy conditions and price at a hard time. Other than longs. Yeah, this is just... There's just too many wicks out today, man. Let's take a look. The 1 hour again. Okay, wait, let me just close everything. Again, we're just actually going sideways. Massive wicks on each end, but still sideways. Sorry guys, looks like it might be a no trade day for me today. broke out slightly, then came back in. So I mean, theoretically, I would have this. I needed to break properly out of this box. Okay, there we go. There's my conditions. If it properly breaks out of this box, I can potentially look for a trade. If not, I don't think it's worth trading today. I'm gonna just see something here. Again, it's just too big. Or is it? It's not that big. Not as big as Friday. It's just not ideal. Steve Irwin did a big thing about them like 30 years ago. Ah, interesting. Every time I hit TP. Man Demon, you are welcome, I guess. I have heard that I'm apparently some people's lucky charm. Renz is now in the green, which is amazing. White Banana, I like Steve Irwin, you miss him. I've heard, I could be wrong, I don't know, I've heard there's been drama with Robert Irwin. I kind of stay off of the news and the drama. It's just always negative, it's not worth it. I don't like this. Traders are athletes. You don't perform every day. Only once in a while when you're on form. I like that. Rensler keeps your setup. Yep, I'm gonna buy one of these bird-eating spiders and make him my new best friend. Thomas, why? I'll walk around with him on my back. I'll carry him like a baby. Please do it. And send lots and lots of pictures. Because I could never. I have nothing against spiders. Except for, but they're not technically spiders. Have you guys heard of red Romans? Terrifying. Terrifying, terrifying, terrifying. I don't like it. Internet, what up? You think it's going up? Meta, what up? How's it going? Chase, I was laughing seeing that 9:30 open. Hey KNT, welcome back. How are you doing? I needed to get out of the box. Focus, no, I'm serious. I'm not trading if it's in this box. Internet, the midsection of the box is the right entry, putting your stop loss at the lower section of the box. So internet, you think this is going up? Son of Man, hi. Vix on nasty and it looks like no trade day today. Yeah, focus 100%. I'm seriously, I just needed to get some proper momentum going. Let's see, it's just not looking promising. Like I said, this... I could have looked at this. Oh, there we go. Maybe this was the range to use. But again, risky and it's still in the chop. Nox, that's what you... White Banana, explain please. The picture I'll send is from a hospital bed after my new best friend got mad. Thomas? That sounds about right. Hello, here we go. You Bluxum? Do you know what is kind of funny though? Okay, let me shush before I say this, but if it didn't wick down there, I would have still been in this trade if I had taken it. I didn't take the trade. Cool. Okay. So I just had the wrong range. I was looking at this range where I should have just used the full range. ES is still looking really weak today. Do you know who I haven't seen in a while? Where's apple butter at? Has anyone seen apple butter? Oh, Skeletor. Hey, the Dread Pirate. Rob, what's up? Abdullah, do you think it's going down? Look at up row, the stock. Okay, Rob, I'll have a look. Mad Demon Rensler. R-E-N-S-L-E-R. Rensler. TG high. Let's see if it breaks the upper support. Right, white banana, let's see. Or is it just gonna keep messing around? Is it just staying in this box today? And then I'm not allowed to trade. Because it's not worth it. Knox? What's happening? Okay. NV 26115. Okay. NV. Set. Let's see. Hit this resistance zone. Okay, but hear me out. Would this be a good trade? Mesa, what up? 100%, 100 times short. Break up. Bigger, maybe I small. What? Justin, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. 25833 was the liquidity I wanted to see get swept before going up. This is a pretty good reaction, but now we are interacting with bearish order block at the top right. I'm so conflicted. Hasn't taken out, so I'm not expecting the biggest retracement back. Mad Demon. Oh, theoretically, yes. Oh, thanks, Nox. Thanks. I was so confused. Never mind. I'm just clearly uncultured with regards to memes. I'm sorry. Only true trader, you sound like me. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Yeah. Rob, nice blouse. Thank you. High Life, I think this is... Okay, there it took out the top liquidity. My greatness, this is irritating. Mad Demon knew I'm actually not on Discord. I'm I want a few things, to be fair, but I have 2 YouTube streams, a vertical and a horizontal. Caution bag? Well, nothing today. Yeah, nothing today. Mad Demon, thank you. I don't even know if I'm gonna get in on anything today. I mean, it's properly broken out of the box now, so maybe? Oh, okay, bye Rob. Bye Pirate Rob. Wayne Broad. I don't really use it, but I did not take the trade, so no stop loss was taken. I have not taken a trade today. I'm trying really hard to not let FOMO win. I'm trying really hard to not chase this. And I'm trying really hard to wait for a proper setup. I'm really trying to not let FOMO win. It's so hard. It's so difficult. Anyways. Israel, I'm a baddie. Thank you, I think. Caution bag, yeah, just, well, for those reasons of there was no good setup for me today. So I haven't taken anything in. Internet, the order block at 0.2 is worth watching. I knew, it's what I'm kind of looking at going, Lucas, what do I think of when I ride a horse? Interesting question. I mean, I guess I just think about them. Like, are they working correctly? There's a lot that goes into horse riding. But essentially, you know, are they working correctly? Are they working through the back? Are they using the correct muscles? Am I riding the best I can? You know, there's a lot that goes into it, actually. Sorry. I can go on and on and on about that. Hey, Pixel Tail, what up? Pixel Tail, I mean, let's... this would have been a win. So if I'd used the full range, so this literally would have just... literally just wicked me out by a tick. And then gone up for TP. If I'd used the full range, if I'd done here to here, that would have beautifully come in and then gone up. Oh well. Okay. Gets a little bit like here, huh? Because this would have been it. Huh. Thomas, you have a point there. Wait, Brad, I'm looking for my A+ setup right there. Maybe like the last 2 to 3 breaks of structure would help. Southpaw, yeah. NQ do be a diva. Literally. A diva all the time. Very frustrating. Then Thomas. Sorry. This range. Ooh. Because looky. We got us some inverse fair value gap. Little one. I mean, looking on the 5 minute, this is still going nowhere freaking slowly, but it looks promising. Could screw me here with the order block though. I'm sorry, you rediscovered me by mistake. I think that's a good thing. I don't know. Is that a good thing? Two or three breakup structures. Thomas, sorry, I just read that now. I was like, wait a minute. Son, don't be afraid to take my right setup in any way. Win or lose is always a win in discipline. That's true. Skydiver for life, please do that and send all the photos. I want to see your corgi in a dress. I want nothing more than to see your corgi in a dress. Oh my goodness, I have hiccups and that one hurt. Anyways. Heisenberg, what happened? Thomas? Arrow? You want to skydive sometime? Me too. I would love to go skydiving. It is on my bucket list. I've done a gorge swing before. That was lots of fun. I'm sorry, you're gonna trade too? Cool. You bought at 10. What? Heisenberg, are you serious? Oh my gosh, how big was your stop loss? Wow, hello, what's up? Pixeltail, you think take a short, really? Wonder if you add this concept, if it could help you. No liquidity, no trade. You need some kind of swing point to get taken before a trade entry. I was thinking that, right? I was actually thinking that this morning. But then sometimes the problem with liquidity grabs is that the retracement back down is sometimes a massive one. So it has its yeah. Thomas, interesting though. Let me have a look. Bullish until you're alert. I'm originally an options trader and my meta alerts are closing in on resistance. So I try and calculate price movement with the stocks. It's weird. Oh, interesting, Envy. Okay. Heisenberg, me too. White banana. Cool. So white banana, what do you do? Maybe those are big stocks of NASDAQ. Yep. I think what's also frustrating is how different ES and NQ look today. I hate it when they look like this. How big is this move? 20 points, that's not bad. This really is a potential. The only problem is how ES and NQ are so freaking different today. what is to the left of the structure? Any key points? Yeah, I mean, especially on the 5 minute. Check out the 5 minute. I mean, look at this. On the 5 minute, it looks really, really good. Here's break of structure. Continuation, it filled the gap down here. We've got an inverse fair value gap going on here on the 5 minute. So entry is just above it. That's why I like this one. I do like this one. I just don't know if it's going to come this far down. I'm really not sure if it's going to go that far down. Technically, in my opinion, liquidity grab is a stop hunt. After stops are hunted, place there. Thomas, I mean, that makes sense, but then those are so freaking irritating. I hate those days. Called like search and destroy day, where it's just taking both the liquidity on both ends, and that's how it's moving. LP, go long, place the trade. I think it could be a really good one. Like I said, I really do like it. I got my 3... Yeah. I have my 3 confluences. It's a goodie. It's just my... I'll place it. I just don't think it's going to come this far down. I'm only making it 4 because I have a feeling we're going to be chasing price up slightly. Yep. Now we wait and see if this was a terrible mistake or a great idea. Chase, I agree. Let's see. Knox peaked again. Oh shoot, maybe I should have made it 5. No, 4 is better. Envy. Place the trade and sit on your hands. No stop loss. Envy. No thanks. I need some risk management or else, oh my goodness. Harold, you're short now on your computer. Where's your TP at though, Harold? The lion does not concern itself with a stop loss. Well then I'm a little itty bitty kitten. Okay. Stop losses for weak? What? Harold, your take profit. Exchange rate means someone wins, someone loses, but I choose to win and learn how to win it. To take me a few losses. Pixeltail, short was the way to go. Was it? Are you sure about that? We ain't short yet. Scared money don't make money. No, what about money management? Or risk management? Or else I'm pretty sure I would have, oh my gosh. I would have broken bank like 30 trades ago. Clearly y'all are braver than I am. I need some sense of security. Maybe one day when I'm big, I'll be able to do it with no stop loss, but I'm still itty bitty. Southpaw, thank you. Thank you. You're on my side here. Everyone else is being mean to me. Y'all are mean. Oh, this is not looking promising, is it? No, I can't say that. I'm gonna shut up and stick with it. Rocketman, of course you can. So on the 5 minute, there's an inverse fair value gap. So generally, I look for something as my cushioning that it could bounce back off of. So fair value gaps, order blocks, VWAP, shelves. I don't think that's the right word, but I'm gonna call them shelves. Like here, I would call this a bit of a shelf. You can see it did kind of tap down into it and a little bit of a bounce up. I don't think that's the correct wording, but I call it a shelf. Sorry, it works for my brain. Yo, Bluxum. No, I like this one. So this one has 1, 2, 3 confluences. 4 if we're going with market structure. Ever since October 10th, the stop loss should be first and foremost. What happened October 10th? When? Well, because I've never watched that. Israel, I'm a baddie, thanks, I think. Interesting, Thomas, but do you like those search and destroy days? Or I guess you just go depending on what the charts are doing, right? Ooh, okay, Wayne. Okay. Son, don't take any trade if you're not sure. I know. I like this trade though. And maybe I'm wrong, but it's an A+ setup for me. So I'm gonna stick with it. Take your A+ setups, right? Win or lose, it's about the discipline. You see an A+ setup? Take it. Rocketman, you're welcome. Let's see. Envy? Yeah, no, 100%. I don't think I'd ever be able to trade with no stop loss. $258.8 as a bullish. Yeah, it do. Let's see. Harold, you end your short now. Let's see. I'm hoping it comes, grabs this bit of liquidity, pops into the fair value gap, and then pops up. Southwest Carp Hunter, how you doing? And Shams, what up? Oh, thanks, Heisenberg. Thank you. I'm glad it calms someone down. Because sometimes I think it freaks me out, but no, we good. Yo, Bluxum. Come on, just tag me in first before you run away. Shams, thank you, that's very sweet. MKA, on the 5 minute in particular, let's check out the 5 minute. Inverse fair value gap right here. That I'm hoping it bounces off of. A little bit of an order block. This could either screw me or save me. I got VWAP on that side, market structure, and this little bit of a shelf. I call this a shelf here. I could be wrong. I don't think a lot of people look for these. I think it's a bit of like a support shelf. Again, I could be wrong, but I think they tend to work. Not always, obviously, you know, like anything in trading, it's never 100% guaranteed. But there I have 1, 2, VWAP 3. And another little bit of a shelf here, 4. So 4 confluences. And I mean, like I said, I could be wrong, but this is an A+ setup and I have to learn to take it. Win or lose, it is what it is. If it's a loss, I just look at it like I'm paying for tuition while learning. Richard, you're broke. Any tips? Not really, sorry. Anti-electron, why? What's up? Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Thomas. Well, let's see if it gets a no. Let's see if it comes to get me or not. Oh, thanks, son. Richard, is trading a great way to make money? I think it could be once you've learned your strategy but it's not a quick and easy way to make money if that's what you're hoping for. Definitely not a quick and easy way. Oh, it missed me. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it missed me. I mean, it could still be coming back down. It could still be coming back down. Let's see. Southpaw, thank you. Trying to do trader. Hello, cute queen. Thanks, hi. Anti-electron, you just found my channel. Hi, welcome, welcome. Why does this look like a good setup for a short now? There. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's now hands off. Like I said, it's my A+ setup. I leave it alone. Errol, you're gonna be 19 tomorrow. Happy birthday for tomorrow. That's so cool. Resistance or support levels, a big area of liquidity. Wayne, yeah, true. Volker's never? Have you? Recording, we'll have some fireworks Wednesday night. Built in, there we go. You know about the whole CS2 crash? No, what's that? Hey, Geordie, what's crack-a-lackin'? How you going? I think it's missed me. I can't believe it's potentially missed me. If I profit, you will celebrate and go on vacation. No rashing. Oh, thanks, I think. Do you want to pay for me to go on vacation? How about that? That'll be cool. Pixeltail, you're still short with 2k. Damn, where's your TP at, Pixeltail? Focus, I mean, that's valid. Okay. Real 0 to hero. Thank you, that's very sweet of you. Oh, I've been out short with $2, a candy wrapper, and a button. Ooh, that seems like a fair trade. I like that. Super Trader, what's up? How you doing? Okay, wait, let's see. Let's see what happens, right? It's hands off now. I leave it alone. I must just be aware of where my 1-2-1 would be. And if it's a loss, then it is what it is. But I stuck to my rules, so I can be proud of that regardless of the outcome. Are we all in? I feel like it's not all in. Oh, okay, well, we definitely now all in. Before, let's see if it goes there. Let's see if we get a good rejection. Or not. Here's 1-to-1. Sorry, I just do this so that I know where I want to potentially move my stop loss a little bit higher. So I slowly and gradually move my risk up. Oh, risk up? No, my stop loss up, but I don't do it straight away. I have a plan. At 1-to-1R, I mitigate my risk by half. I move my stop loss to midway. At 75%, I move my stop loss to break even. Focus, I think so, yes. I do believe it is. Okay, well, it hasn't hit there, so... VIX rising nicely, should fill the gap. Okay. Don't forget to drink water, it helps your brain. I know a guy who requests for people to remind him to drink. Rained after streaming due to not drinking water during the stream. Southpaw, that's interesting. I've never really thought about that. Here I am drinking coffee, which obviously does the opposite. Anyways. Wayne, if it starts breaking through, be prepared. Noted. I mean, it's made some inverse fair value gaps again. Has it? Kind of. Let's see. Jordy, I've had my water bottle out now and then. Not often, but now and then. Maybe I should be better at that, but yeah. I'm drinking coffee. Thanks, Heisenberg. Well, let's see if it continues in the direction we wanted to or not. Aw, thanks, Thomas. Like I said, let's see what happens. It's hands off until it hits this line. Then I can move my stop loss to around midway. Wayne, I'm not funded yet. I'm still on an eval account. Sorry to disappoint. Oh, well, roller now, man. There we go, eval. Okay, there we go. So now I move my stop loss to midpoint, which is around there. Yep. So risk management, right? Now if it does come back down, I lose half the amount that I would have. Oh, okay. Cheers, Southpaw. Hopefully see you tomorrow, right? No disappointment, just looking to get funded too. Oh, wait. Well, I mean, so when there are some prop firms where you can buy a straight to funded account. I don't know if you want to do that, or if you want to go through the whole eval process. I need to brush teeth and get braces. Oh, thank you. Am I taking partials? No, I'm not taking partials. Thomas, you can ask Geordie. I don't know if you guys are on, yeah. Math-wise, partials made no sense. So I'm just doing risk management with regards to Okay, I can go break even. That's around the 75% mark. I'm gonna add a little bit for comms. Okay. I haven't decided if I want to do potentially a bit more of a trailing, so set it a little bit higher, but either way, this is break even. Let's see if it's gonna take me out at break even now. Oh, cheers, Southpaw. Thank you. I appreciate it. There's an annoying freaking price action, then that's it. True. If you say so. Taking instant funding as a way of breaking my risk management. Oh, there we go, Wayne. Well then, why don't you get a prop? Out of curiosity. Sorry, that I don't know if that sounds rude or not. And market changed. Ah, Omar, like what? What do you think is more useful? Tube Treasure, my TP's at 898.75. Oh, Omar, I'm sorry. You weren't talking to me. I'm sorry. Omar, I apologize. I apologize. I was defensive. That's on me. I sincerely apologize for being defensive. What country do I live in? Where do you think I live? Papa Trife, oh, of course. No, Omar, you good. That was on me. I apologize. Do I move my stop loss slightly up? Or just keep it at break even? Wayne, well, I mean, if you want to use any of mine, and you can use my code, they're all in the description below, and yeah, you can check out all those props. I think Funding Ticks is one of the cheaper ones to begin with. There's a bunch of specials going on, but yeah, if you want to support, I'm affiliated with all of the props that are in my description, and yeah, you can use then my code to get a discount. Tube Treasure, a lot of sellers in there, yeah. Erlemont, I'm doing the 50k eval challenge. Oh no, Rensler, yucky. Okay, well, enjoy work, good luck. Wayne, you are welcome. White banana. Well, I'm in break even, so I'm not losing, if that makes sense. If you're wondering how to properly size for trade, it's 100 to 200 for every 50k in funding. Oh, interesting. Proper tribe. If prop is prop firm reviews. I'll have a look at that. Aw, thanks. Bye, local shorts provider. Very interesting. Cheers. Enjoy work. Wayne, no, I don't use leverage. Yep, Geordie, I am. I'm trying really hard. Part of me wants to have like a bit more of a trailing stop, but I'm like, because it could pop back down a little bit further. Oop. Oh, this is gonna take me out break even, but either way, I stuck with it, right? Can't be upset with sticking with it. Focus. You're weird. You're very entertaining. Brenslet, thank you. Harsham, I'm with Top 1 Futures. Heard mixed reviews though, but I mean, I'm not unfunded yet, so... You know, I haven't had any issues so far. You're sim trading MES1 and it's moving slow. Yep. ES looks very weak today, which is weird. Normally ES is the one driving. Put my stop loss one tick above where I have, so I have it at break even. Do you think I need to pop it a little bit higher up, Stefan? Yeah. Harsham, I feel like it's a bit like standard. I want to say standard price. I don't know if that's correct. I think it's like $52. I don't want to lie to you now. Someone should have shorted on my mental health after 2019. White banana, I hear that. If we break 865, might be stopping out at break even before it keeps moving. Yeah. Oh, you think so? Maybe. Let's see, Thomas. Let's see what happens. What's the 1% line at the top? It's the 50-50 line. No. Let me explain this. So do you see I have the 0 and the 1? And then the 0.5 is the middle of these two. So a 1-to-1 trade would be my stop loss is at 0 and my TP is at 1. That would be a 1-to-1 trade. See, now, do I trail my stop loss up slightly? Would it be valid to do that? Thomas, what do you think? Oh, Sarah, good question. Pop me an email. I can send it to you. Thanks, son. I appreciate that. The Phantom, am I getting rich yet? No. But slowly but surely wins the race, right? I am, Wayne. I am. So that's why I have it at... This is a 2-to-1 trade. Or 1-to-2R, sorry. Okay, now I'll move it to there. Just below the swing. Yeah, around there is good. Tube treasure. Only if you want to make money, you trail, you'll stop. Yeah. But it's now the most recent swing low and it's tapped into prior range. There's a chance it's going to be used as liquidity or fuel move higher. You can trail it to that swing low. I'm having it just below the swing low. Just in case. Oh, I say just below. It is just below. Just in case, but either way. Why banana thing? Ooh, Sarah, that's a very good question. I think for me personally, the first 3 steps was 1, market structure, 2, fair value gaps. Yeah, recognizing the fair value gaps. I mean, now they're pretty easy to recognize, but I think that was number 2, was recognizing the fair value gaps. Then 3 was recognizing the consolidation and order blocks. Yeah. Oh, Ricky, you were? Stefan, you like 3 to 1 trade? Damn. Fuck. Hey, Chloe, how's it going? Wonder if any prop firm has a trailing stop in their platform. Wayne, I'm sure they are. I don't know if top one has. I've never looked. I've never looked, to be honest. Okay, now that it's gone a little bit higher, I'm a little bit more confident to move this up. Again, just below the swing low. Let's see. Thomas, let's see. Let's just be positive. I'm placing it just below the swing. One more wick. We just need one more wick up like that. Oh, sorry, Sarah. I'm so sorry. Oh, nice, Ricky. Okay. Uh, 3D Capital. Yes, I'm South African. Oh, interesting. Only 2 trader. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wasn't sure. I needed just to wick. Just one big whoop up. Only 2 trader. Thank you. Let's see. More sellers are coming in at my TP, so that's promising, right? They're gonna want to potentially come grab them. Thomas uppies. I could just picture. So sorry, random fun fact because it keeps me distracted. Do you know where uppies comes from? Out of curiosity. Maybe I should put it just below the swing. Might screw me. No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. I've been watching the market for 8 hours now. Pepito, no, not 8 hours. And getting small, trying to profit for the next 4 days. I mean, why not, Ricky? Go for it. So, sorry, I got distracted. So, uppies, literally back in the day, was knights in shining armor and those knights, because their armor was so heavy, if they fell down, they would go uppies to their squires. That's where uppies comes from. I think that is the funniest random fact I've ever learned. And I just think it's hilarious thinking about this big, strong man in armor looking at squires going uppies. Anyways, no, go for it, Sarah. And if you want to pop me an email, pop me an email. I don't mind. Oh, Zane Treads, you're very sweet. Thank you. Gamer RB, what up? Wasn't sure you could trade futures in the SA. How do you manage taxes through supply or sell? Well, Capital, I'm not profitable yet, so I haven't had to worry about that just yet. You can ask LP. LP is South African. I know he's profitable. He'll be able to help you out with regards to that one. Oh, this might come get me. Just gonna pop it by that swing low. Justin, right? How funny. I giggled for proper like 30 minutes when I learned that because the thought of it sent me. Wayne, so you learned fair value gaps, order blocks, change of character, and break of structure. Yep. With the technical tool on trading view. Nice. Yeah, I know you do get indicators that show you all that. The focus? Damn, look at you go. Thomas, reminds you of the song Uppies. There's a song that goes up, uppies. Really? Some guy, coffee's mostly water. Let's forget the fact that caffeine is a diuretic. Yeah, no. It's basically, it's 90% water, right? It's fine. Aww. Oh well, let's see what happens. Thrown in my description, like my YouTube description, it's there. Or it's just teachmytrading@gmail.com. Yeah, Thomas, it's why I did move it to the swing low. I mean, even if it comes down now, it will be around... Yeah, let's see. I think I'll be more frustrated at myself if I get out and it hits TP than I am with trailing it and it takes me out lower down. Hey, Zeus of Liquidity, how's it going? Hey Zubair, how's it going? I'm trying to decide if I need a smack focus or not. Mad Demon. Awesome. I'm glad. How's it going? Yeah, careful. Thomas, it's like a pop rap song. Okay. I kind of want to go check it out now. Price action, it's dog poo, so gotta entertain yourself. Oh, that's fair. Muff Diver? Yes, I'm a day trader. Zeus of Liquidity, so this is the one and only trade that I've taken today, so... yeah. If that answers your question. Oh, Zubair, nice. Oh, yeah, I forgot you're still in this. Look at you go. That's impressive. Oh, I think this might come take me out. Dr. Goldbud, do I buy silver and gold? I have not. Zeus of Liquidity, what about my Discord? What about it? Are you asking if it's up? It is up. Oh man. This is gonna come and get me. Let's see if it bounces off the order block, but I don't think it will. I think this is gonna take me out here. Matt DM me. Yes, is doing absolutely nothing today. Love to see it. Yep. Heisenberg, yeah, no, that's true. Zubair, so Insta, like everything else, it's just teach Maya trading, or I guess put an at in front of it. At teach Maya trading. This is that low that might get swept before the move up. Yeah, that makes sense though. And if it takes me, it takes me. It's fine. It's still up, right, Thomas? At the end of the day. Oh. Come on, it's so close to TP. Son, long way to go. Yeah. Always a long way to go. Opinions on using AI to get general predictions of stock. I saw someone doing it before, they wrote the code and everything. I've heard that it's good. Yeah, there's a few people that use it. I don't know the accuracy though. Some people swear by it. They say they love to use their AI. I have no idea. Sorry. I've never really tried. Never really looked into it either. Yeah. Mad Demon, there we go. Right. I guess AI is impartial. I guess you could say impartial, right? Oh, Focus, that's so sweet. Thank you. Oh, really, Justin? That's awesome. Have you gone to break even and? Or are you still just like hands off, leaving it as is? What was your play with it? Wayne, I won't believe it until someone shows you. That's valid. Okay, I'm gonna move to this swing now. Remember, AI was created by human. True. I don't know. I don't know if I always trust AI. I think it's a very useful tool, but if you know the information for yourself, why rely on something else? Damn, Justin. Okay, so completely hands off. Okay, you're braver than I am. Well done, Justin. Well done. Oh, sorry, Muff. So this is MNQ. So the NASDAQ futures. Micros to be specific. It just needs to pop out of this resistance level. Oh, nice. Okay, Justin, that's valid. Thomas, yeah. Oh gosh. Pixel Tail, I know. It's so close. I'm trying not to get my hopes up, but in the same breath, I'm just like, please, come on. Oh yeah, Thomas, because you missed my win on Friday. Mad Demon, I know, it's rude. The Game Changer, oh hi, how's it going? Diver from California, thank you. Yeah, Thomas, you must check, go to Discord. Go have a look at my trades. I popped it in there. I made 400 and something dollars on Friday. Game changer, you don't see many women traders. I've heard. Guys, we did it! Oh my gosh! Hey! Whoop whoop! Yes! Holy cow! We did it! We did it! Oh. Lovely 1 to 2 hour trade. Freaking took a lifetime and a half, but check at that. Whee! Okay, whoop whoops! Whoop whoops, everyone. Justin? Whoop whoop, my man. Oh, frick. Hey, Bob, how's it going? Thomas, I didn't see you Friday. I did not see you Friday, actually. Hell yeah, guys. That was good. That was good. Woo! Mad Demon, yeah. Wow, to the... If it starts going down now. Oh my goodness. Wow. I thought I was supposed to stay stoic. You're right, my bad. That was whatever. That was cool. That was a goodie. I'm chuffed with that one. Listen, I waited the whole day for that trade. Literally, I waited the whole day for that trade. So, yeah. After your good luck helped? Hell yeah, it did. Thank you. Thank you for the good luck wishes, guys. Pixter, am I on a demo account? Well, I'm on a eval account. Yeah, I'm on an eval account. Okay. Abraham, nice try. Thank you, I appreciate that. That was good. That's then me for the day, guys. Oof. Okay. That's like perfect timing before 11:30. It's like lunchtime now. How long did this trade take? Basically 30 minutes. That was a 30-minute trade. I'm getting better at taking these freaking long trades. Anyways. The emotion is high, good reaction. Thanks. One day in fire? I'm not sure about that. Okay. Tube treasure, sit on your hands and wait is the best way to learn. Yeah. I mean, you saw I'm trying to also very slowly trail my stop loss. But, you know, giving myself wiggle room that I don't get wicked out. Just because, you know, drawdown's a thing. Damn, nice. One to inspire. Cool. And thanks for all the subs, by the way. Justin, are you a happy chappy? I'm a happy chappy. We are happy chappies today. That was a goodie. And just in time for me to call it a day. One lost soul? Yeah, I literally just... Yeah, I'm up $331 today. That's good. That's good, right? Mad Demon? Yeah. That's actually a very valid point, yeah. So I stick to my rules. Can I just say, check, remember I mentioned that shelf? I don't know if I'm calling it the right thing. I think people will have a different name for it. You can see I drew out the shelf. It literally tapped into it and that was the shift up. I mean, obviously there's the fair value gap as well. I guess you could argue that the shelf and the 50% of this fair value gap were in line. And that's what it tapped into before it started to push up. Oh. Either way, that was good. I'm happy now. Like I said, that was a lot of patience today. I waited the whole day for the setup. Literally the whole day for the setup. Glad that bullish order block held. From my model, best entry would have been the sweep on that leg. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Lost Soul, what did you get today? Justin, it has. I agree with you. Today was good. I guess it does show that less is sometimes more. Good start to the eval account. Yes, I like it. So I'm using a GAN box, but here's my... Ooh, sorry. There we go. There's the settings for my GAN box. Sorry, it's super simple, super basic. I try and keep it simple. Patience pays. Oh! Nice, Tube! Whoop whoop! That's amazing! It's an auto block or liquidity zone, but it just means there's a lot of limit orders there. Yeah, true. Okay, guys. I'm gonna call it there. Yeah. I'm gonna call it there. You guys were amazing. Thank you for sitting with me and keeping me distracted and calm for this. You guys are amazing. Patience pays off. It's a pain in the butt, but it pays off. Do you know how many times I wanted to FOMO trade today? Yeah. There were a few FOMO trades that I could have taken, and I said, nope, not today. Not today. I'm learning. It's a process. It really is a process, but getting there one step at a time. Okay, sorry, I'm talking your ears off. I'm gonna leave it there for today. Hey, Raphael, how are you doing? Thank you. Oh, good Wolf. Where have you been? Hi, Daddy. Skeletor. Oh, nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Mad love. Yeah, let me call it a day. You guys are the best. Thank you for always being so supportive. You guys are the best community I could ever ask for. I love you madly. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, both London and New York. So hopefully I will see you guys then. Again, if you guys had fun, don't forget to press that like button. Let's do this. And if you want to support the channel, you can use any of the below affiliates and use my affiliate code, which is just Teach Maya. You know, the more help and the more support, the better, right? Some guy, thank you. I'll post this on Discord quickly. I'll hop on quick. Okay, I love you guys madly. Thank you so much. And thank you for holding me accountable. I appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.